the Civilized Cycles Model 1. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Civilized Cycle Model 1 electric bike. Just a brief introduction of the company. It was founded by Zachary Shefflin, a longtime writer, mechanic, and builder. He was CEO of Vespa Soho, the largest Vespa dealer in the US. He found an opportunity in the electric bike market and started Civilized Cycles. The bike comes assembled and you have 3 color options to choose from: black, red, and silver. Briefly going over some specs, this has a bespoke forged and hydroformed 6061 deep step-through frame. Fully adjustable gel rider saddle. It can accommodate riders approximately 5'6" to 6'4". Gel foam passenger saddle. Total capacity of 400 pounds, and it weighs in at 89 pounds. It has a 750 watt high torque mid-drive motor. Throttle, pedal assist, and power on demand modes. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour with a twist throttle and 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. 30-mile range and up to 60 miles with the optional second battery. Lithium-ion 10.5 amp hour battery. 48 volts power bank style, and it's removable. Integrated USB ports for charging. Panasonic or LG cells. The front suspension has Manitou 30mm fork tube, 20mm axle with 80mm of travel. The adjustments are mechanical preload, compression to lockout, and rebound. The rear has Manitou single pivot, 60mm of travel, automatic sag adjustment, and self-leveling system. Front brakes are Tektro 4-piston 203mm hydraulic disc brakes, and the rear are 4-piston 180mm hydraulic disc brakes. This has integrated taillight, brake light, and turn signals. Headlamp with self-dimming sensors. This has integrated locking and water-resistant panniers. 25-pound capacity per side. It has 20-liter capacity when it's closed and 80-liter capacity when it's expanded. A brief walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front light, front fender, hydraulic disc brakes, and front suspensions. Towards the middle and the back, you'll see the center kickstand, rear passenger seat, rear light, the pannier, and the passenger footrest. On the other side, you have the pannier as well. Once that's open, you can see where the 750 watt mid-drive motor is, along with the jack shaft that power from the pedals and drives the rear wheels. And finally, looking at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, turn signals, gear shifter, controls, LCD display, and twist throttle. So to turn on the bike, you have the control on the left side here. There's an orange power button here, and then you have your mode, and then a plus and a minus button. So pressing the power button will turn on the display, and then you can toggle the different options here from the trip time, distance, odometer, range, average speed, and max speed. And this is all by pressing the M button. You can see here that you have these 5 bars, and that's your battery indicator. Pressing the plus button will toggle the pedal assist level. So right now it's on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then pressing the minus button will bring down the pedal assist levels. So looking at the front, you have the front lights, which is auto sensing, and it will also dim when there's oncoming traffic. And then taking a look at the rear, you have the integrated reactive brake lights. Looking at the handlebar area at the edge here, you have these lights, and these are battery operated and can be used as turn signals. So you just press the button like so, and just press it again to turn it off. Okay, just to highlight some of the features, you can see that it has a nice wide step-through frame, so it's easy to get on and off. You have the seat here for your rear passenger, and then the hardcover shell panniers. You also have the footrest for the rear passenger. The center kickstand, basically to adjust it, if you want to raise it, you want to put your foot in front of it and then just push off like so. And then to activate the kickstand, you just want to do the reverse. Just put your foot behind it, bring it down a little bit, and then pull back like so. Now looking at the panniers on each side, again, this is the hard cover. Basically it attaches to the bike via magnets, so if you want to extend it, just pull. And then you can see the round metal points where the magnet will attach. And then you can just pull like so on the other side as well. And that's how it looks extended. Now looking at the panniers, it does have an integrated lock. So basically it just clicks here, and then there's a combination. And then to open it, you just want to pull the flap like so. So looking at the right side here, you have the battery, which is held on by a Velcro. You have the plug here that connects to the bike. You have the charging port, and then you have two USB ports here if you want to charge your devices. And then you have the battery indicator. So there's plenty of room to put your belongings. So the left side is the same. You just want to pull the flap back. You have the lock here as well. And then you have plenty of room. You have the Velcro straps here. So if you want to get a second battery, you can have it attached here and use it as a reserve. Again, plenty of room. Now the bike does have rear air suspensions, and it can adjust to the current load. So basically what you want to do is you just turn on the bike and then hold down the up arrow here for a few seconds. And then the screen will turn black and all the air will be released, if you heard that. And then just keep holding the up button, and then the air suspensions will fill to the current load. So now it's adjusted to my weight. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy and there's gravel on the side. The bike does have the rear air suspensions, and it also has the front suspensions, which has a lockout feature, but the lockout feature is currently off, so the suspension should go to work. All right, let's see how it does. Here we go. Rough terrain test. All right, so far so good. I can see the front suspension's going to work. Very comfortable so far. Saddle is very soft into the gravel. Handling the bumps very well here. Now I'm going to do the speed test. The bike does have pedal assist modes. It has 5 levels, and then it also has a twist throttle. I'm going to start off with the pedal assist levels, see how fast each level goes, and then we'll just do the twist throttle. All right, speed test, pedal assist 1. Here we go. Okay, you can feel the pickup there. We're about 9 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2. About 13. Pedal assist 3. Hit about 18 on pedal assist 3. Number 4. About 20 miles per hour and 5. So hit about 24 on pedal assist 5. Okay, so with the pedal assist, we reached about 24 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'm just going to do the twist throttle. Let's see how fast it can go. Here we go, speed test with the twist throttle. All right, nice steady acceleration there. We're about 18 miles an hour right now. So holding about 18 miles per hour with the twist throttle. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference. Now I'm going to do the uphill test. We saw that with the speed test, we reached 18 miles per hour on the twist throttle. I'm going to just use a twist throttle as we make it up this hill, and then I'll do a downhill test. We'll see if we lose speed as we go up or if we maintain it. All right, here we go, uphill test. All right, we're at about 18 miles per hour right now. The motor is a little bit loud as it picks up the acceleration, but then levels off. So we're beginning the climb at about 18 miles per hour right now. Just losing a little bit of speed. We're down to about 17.7, but it's powering through here. Back to 18. A little bit of downhill into the turn here. So we saw with the uphill test, we started the climb at about 18 miles per hour, lost just a little bit of speed to 17.7, but was able to power through. No issues at all. So now let's see how it does going downhill. All right, here we go, downhill test. So nice and stable with the steering, no rattles, no noises, everything feels very smooth. Hitting about 18 miles per hour. Here are my thoughts on the bike. There's nothing to the assembly process as the bike came in all set up. There were no damages or imperfections during the shipping process. The finish is a gloss silver and looks very sharp and subtle. The bike definitely feels solid and it has some weight to it, coming in at about 90 pounds. It almost feels like a scooter in many ways. The frame has a large step-through design, so it made getting on and off super easy. The cables are well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is soft and comfortable, and I had no issues during long rides. The passenger seat has the same texture and feel as well. The handlebars have a cruiser type style design and a good length. It just felt natural and you don't have to lean forward. It felt stable during the rides, no rattles or vibrations. When it comes to storage, the Model 1 has that answered with its unique pannier designs. Easy to open and collapse and held on by magnets. It gives you plenty of space to put your belongings. You can even purchase an additional battery and have ample space to carry it along. Performance was excellent in my opinion, very smooth throughout and comfortable. It handled the rough surfaces well as the front and rear suspensions absorbed a lot of the bumps. And you saw it has the air suspensions, which can adjust to the current load on the bike, which worked well and a nice feature to have. The 750 watt motor, mid-drive, had plenty of power. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 18 miles per hour in my testing with the throttle only. With pedal assist, I reached 24 miles per hour, and twist throttle a speed of 18 miles per hour. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 miles per hour with the twist throttle. It also has a range of up to 60 miles depending on your battery configuration. This will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The hydraulic brakes were strong and had good stopping power, and they grabbed on quick. The display is large and intuitive, easy to read, but it does get washed out a bit on bright sunny days. The front light, turn signals, and rear light are good to have, along with the auto-sensing front light feature. One thing I would have liked to have seen is an integrated electronic horn. Overall, a well-built and solid bike with keeping the rider needs in mind. You have plenty of storage, range, ability to have an extra passenger, and it rides very comfortable. The price point is on the premium side, coming in at $5,000, but I do believe in you get what you pay for, and this falls in that category. So if you're in the market for a premium e-bike, check out the Civilized Cycles Model 1. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.